Guys, thank you for coming on. I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Candida overgrowth, what to do. So Candida overgrowth, here is my, from my experience from helping people. If you want to suppress the Candida, you go on a Candida diet. It's not going to give you much, it's going to suppress it. But if you want to fix it, if you want to get to the root cause, you go on an all-fruit diet. Now, I understand it's contrary to what you understand and what you have been taught, because fruits are supposed to make Candida worse. But you don't understand why you have the Candida in the first place. The reason why you have the Candida in the first place is that you have weak adrenal glands. Your adrenal glands are compromised with mucus and acids, they're not functioning properly. And when the adrenal glands don't help the body make use of the sugars, it causes fermentation. And this fermentation will attract Candida. So that's the first step. Second step is you have interstitial lymphatic congestion. Your lymph system is not moving properly. This attracts bacteria and fungus. Okay, so you have two problems here. And then third, you might be on have sulfur in you, and the sulfur loves Candida. It loves to attract these as well. So you have three things going on that you need to fix. The only way you can fix those is with fruit diets. Okay, so the only way you can fix those are the fruit diet, because the fruits are going to move the lymph system. That's going to remove the medium that's attracting the Candida in the first place. So having said that, I'll go on the fruits, 100% fruit diet. You will see flare-ups, but you got to use the kidney herbs, use the fabulous life kidney tea, antimicrobial tincture. I would use that 5 to 7 times a day. Parasite C tincture 5 to 7 times a day, and parasite W tincture for worms 5 to 7 times a day, and go for a good 3 to 4 months on these. Okay, on the fruit diet and a raw vegan diet at the very least. This is how you hit it hard, and this is how you get rid of the Candida and the root cause of it. Okay, not to treat it, but to get to the root cause.